I'll never forget the words that man told me. He said, I guess time can kill all deals. The deal was off, the deal was done, back to square one. Hey fellow shop owners, Gerry Frank here from Maverick Shop Owners, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of the biggest obstacles in selling your shop, especially if you plan on selling your shop in the next year or two. And that obstacle, you guessed it, delay. Delay in not getting strong financials in order. Maybe your profit margin isn't where it needs to be, or your net profit's way off. Let's not forget, strong financials are one of the key determining factors when evaluating what a buyer is willing to give you for your business. Delay in hiring another technician. Maybe that's causing your sales to slump because you just can't get the cars out the door. Delay in getting maybe your buy-sell agreement. Maybe you already have a buyer, but you've just been kind of dragging this thing on and I'll get around to it, and sooner or later, who knows, you just may lose that buyer. Maybe you're delaying talking to your financial advisor if your plans are to retire after you sell the shop. I want to tell you and share with you a quick little story about how delay cost me the sale of my shop some years ago. So we have been working on the sale of 2 shops with a large corporation, and the process seemed to drag on and on for almost a year. There was always some little obstacle, some little detail that had to be worked out. Just when I thought we were ready to seal the deal, I'll never forget the words that man told me. He said, I guess time can kill all deals. The deal was off, the deal was done, back to square one. So don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. That's all for now. Again, my name's Gerry Frank. If you can do me a favor, give me a thumbs up on this video. And if I can be of any help to you, feel free to shoot me an email. That's Gerry with the G at maverickshopowners.com. God bless.